Hello, in this session, I'm going to show you how to filter duplication from your data set. For that, we need first to get our data set. I'm going to use a data that I download from a data.gov. It's about popular baby names. If you have a child or something, then if you have a baby, you want to give a name, maybe you can come around here and then find some popular names. I don't know. Maybe you want to name your puppy or something like that. All right, we need to import the data. We want to go to data. I'm going to use a Power Query for this session to import the data. So my data is in the form of a CSV file. So then I want to go to so my file is right here. So I'm going to go to import it. And here's my data set. I don't need to make any changes to the file. This is the Power Query things. If you don't know what Power Query is, just don't worry about it now. If you want a tutorial on that, just let me know in the comment below. So we don't need to make any change. Then I'm going to load it, and then I'm going to load it. All right, here's our data set. When you use Power Query and then you load to a Excel sheet, it coming from of a table. So from here, we want to create another table, like insert another columns. We have all of these values, all of the values in, like we want to concatenate all the values, all the cells for each rows, and then put it in the insert columns. So from here, we want to type equal, and then you're going to select the first cell from the first row, type n%, and then select the second one, n%, the third, enter the point, the last one, you type enter. The nice thing about table is that when you just write the first formula, just apply to the entire table. You don't need to drag all the things downwards. So when you type enter, it just fill it up for you. Okay, here we want to extend it to the columns. All right, here's our data, and we want to filter the data and find when we select a column, so we need to find all of the duplication for that values, or I would say for that columns. So you click on this little arrow things, kind of the filter button to thing. All right, from here you want to don't want all of them, you want to select only one. So for instance, let's say we select this one and we click OK. Then you can see we have all the duplication for that values for this row, specific rows, value 2011 female, Asia Pacific, and names and count. So with that you have all the duplication, and you can see that there's a lot of duplication with the same data. For this first value we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. This is something that you need to remove from your data if you want to make a really good analysis, because this duplication can skew your analysis, and that's not good. You need to remove them. I'm just doing it to show you the way you can just see how your data is organized. Maybe you need to see how the duplications, or if you need to remove them. There is some cases you don't want to remove the duplication and you want to keep them. I don't know. Yeah, that's up to you to figure it out. But most of the time you have to remove the duplication, and sometimes you need to see what are the duplication, and that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to show here. Let me show something. Okay, let's see. Okay, and let's try to remove the table. To remove the table, you come to table design and then convert to normal range. Type OK, and should be gone. Okay, table is gone. Let's remove the color and all of that. Come here, type normal, and then scroll away. And let's try to take the first one. We don't need this column anymore. Let's delete it. All right, or let's leave it there. It's fine. We're going to select the entire table, sorry, the entire data set. And I'm just want to type Control Shift and arrow down, and then we select. Let's try to use condition formatting, and we want to find duplication values. When you type OK, you can see that it select the entire data set, which is kind of messy and honestly is useless. We can use this one, so let's just remove it. How do we do this? Set clean, right? Okay, clean wall, entire sheet. Okay, so more thing. All right, now we're back to our data set. Here you can just insert the filter too. If you don't like tables too, it's just come here. How do they do that? Okay, go to insert and insert a filter. Let's see. Uh, kind of forgot that. Okay, let's see, maybe it should be in data or something. Okay, yeah, here we go. Insert filter, and that's set. Okay, we can do the same thing here. Let's not select all of them. I just select the first one, and voila, you got yourself a nice clean filter. Alright, I hope this video helped you.